Well, I'm in my room. It is room 7279 in the Hideaway on the Celebrity Reflection. And I want to give you a short tour and tell you what I think about the room. Okay, we're in our room in 7279. Let's take a short tour. Okay, I always bring the little magnet clips here so I can put various information from the cruise, and I bring a little hook so I can hang my lanyard there. First up, I guess first let's look at a full view of the room. There you go. It is a small suite, in my opinion. But, you know, the couch, it's comfortable and it's larger. And I'm sure if you had other people in the room, it probably comes out to be a bed. But we didn't need that. And then you have a little table, which I'll show you in a minute. This is where some of the age is shown. See the edges there? Definitely had better days. And then, of course, we have a mirror here, which is nice. I can do my hair here. Very nice chair. I like this area. But this is amazing. This is really the only area in the entire room that you have for charging anything. It'd be nice to have this and a couple more, but you won't find it in this room. Then you have here some cubbies for storage. And of course you have your TV that tilts. And right here your little tabletop. And then in here you have your safe. And then down below you have the refrigerator. And then over here you have 3 drawers. Pull out the nice and deep. There's 3 down. So that does give you storage. Then over here is your walls, which aren't too amazing. And your bed, which like I said was comfortable. Next to the bed is the phone and 2 little cubbies, but no electrical outlets and none on the lamp either. We checked. So then when you go around, you've got another, here you have another cubbies, and then you have your balcony. Let me go out and show you. Gotta push down this like this, and then you open it up. And remember, do not lay flat in these chairs. And here you have the wonderful sea. Really a nice view from up here, but if you look down, yes, you have the boats all the way across. One of the things in these chairs is you go kind of back, even if you get the chair all the way up, it's pretty deep. And for me, well, let me show you what my cousin used. Yeah, she was using a pillow for her back. It is not the most comfortable chair. So let's go inside and look at the restroom. Yeah, and you want to keep this closed because when you're in a muggy area like we are in the Caribbean, yeah, you want to keep that air conditioning nice in your room. So don't keep this door open. Oh, I should show you closet space. Do have closets here. You had plenty of hangers, plenty of more space, plenty of shoe space on the floor. Yeah, it's fine for a 4-day cruise or 4-night cruise. And then we are just storing our suitcases right here in this niche. And you have another full-length mirror right here. Go in. Okay, so it's a very small bathroom, not unusual. You have your little cubbies here. You have your mirror here and your sink and the area that we're messing up a little bit here. And then you do have little drawers underneath for storage. And then you have your shower, which does have a door that goes this far and a door that goes this far. So there you have a door which is nicer than a curtain. And you have your shower head, pretty basic, right? I'll show you the floor here. It really is little. Shine shampoo, smooth conditioner, and shower gel. Personally, I don't like the Shine shampoo that much. I would bring your own. But that's it for the shower. And of course, we have the toilet area. Now, I should mention the room has been quiet, except for one episode when someone next door was terribly yelling at their children. But at night, everything, it has been quiet and a very nice location. So my thoughts on the room after being in here for 3 days is it's okay. It is small. I have been in other balcony suites that are larger and a little more up to date. This room is dated, but you know what? The bed was comfortable enough. The balcony was fine for my cousin and I. We enjoyed having our morning coffee out there and maybe a drink in the evening and just watching the sea go by. It was very nice and very relaxing. And our room steward, Memory, she was excellent. She very always available if you needed her, and she was cleaning in morning and night. So we had no problem at all with staff. But we did have a problem. The TV, the demand part of the TV did not work, and we called last night, which is when we wanted to watch the movie, and of course they said it would have to wait till the morning, and it's getting to noon and still nothing's been done. So that is a problem. But for the room itself, it was fine, especially since it was given free on a casino cruise. But I wanted to show it to you so you could see what to expect and if it would meet your needs. Thank you, and remember, adventure awaits.